Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get 2.5 cups of self-raising flour and just sift it into a large mixing bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And just combine this. Now make a well in the center of the mix, and for anyone who's called Timmy, just be careful when you're around it. Now add 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 lightly beaten egg, so no uppercuts, 130 grams of melted butter, any type's fine, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix all this in. Now just mix it slowly. Once it's just combined, it's done. We don't want to over mix this because then that will affect the product later on. It won't be as fluffy as it could be. Now add 1 cup of blueberries. I like to use frozen. Now just fold these in. Now get a muffin tray, or some sort of tray. Now you can put little papers in there, but I just prefer it this way. Give it a little spray. Now what you want to do is put the mixture in here. And a lot of people often wonder, well, how much do I put in? It's really up to you, but the idea is to fill it level with the top. That way you get a really big fluffy muffin top. Alright, there you go. As I said, you can have it level with the top, but it really doesn't matter. So this makes 6 large muffins. Now what you want to do now is put these in the oven at 190 degrees centigrade or 170 degrees centigrade if it's a fan forced oven. So that's going to be roughly somewhere around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to have it in there for about 20 minutes or so until this is sort of golden and just firm to touch. So let's do that. Alright, now just let these cool for about 5 to 10 minutes on the counter and then we'll start eating.
Simple cooking.